Research from Brainscape found that keyboard shortcuts save an average of 8 days per year compared to mouse navigation. For power users, the number is closer to 20 days. That's an entire month of working time recovered. Start with your operating system. On Mac, Spotlight, CMD plus space. App switching, CMD plus tab. Window management, CMD plus control plus arrows with rectangle. On Windows, Win key for search, Alt plus tab for switching, Win plus arrows for snapping. Master these 5 shortcuts, and you'll never click to launch an app again. Control plus L focuses the address bar. Control plus T new tab. Control plus W close tab. Control plus Shift plus T reopen last close tab. Control plus number jumps to that tab. Use Vimium extension to click any link with just 2 keystrokes. These alone eliminate 80% of mouse usage in your browser. Every productive app has keyboard shortcuts. Learn the top 10 for your most used apps. In Notion, CMD plus K for quick find, CMD plus Shift plus P for turn into, /command for blocks. In VS Code, CMD plus P for file search, CMD plus Shift plus F for global search. In Gmail, J/K to navigate, E to archive, R to reply. Real-time demonstration of a complete workflow, from email triage to project management to code editing, without touching the mouse once, showing the speed difference side by side. Start with one app this week. Print out its top 10 shortcuts and tape them to your monitor. In 3 days, they'll be muscle memory. Download my shortcut cheat sheets for 10 popular apps in the description.